This is my 85 iroc-z. It's got a 383 in it as well, but it has aluminum heads on it, 210 cc for intake, and 64 cc for chamber size. It's got a comp XE stream energy, I think it's a 294 cam. It's got fast EZ-EFI 2.0 on it. We'll be getting that buttoned up. This one has a full scat rotating assembly, forged crank rods. It's got flat tops in it as well, but that'll actually be around 11 3-to-1 compression with a smaller head. Also, did exhaust, torque arm system. We'll be putting tubular lower arms